AMINISTA mathatu ma URIMI kuma nthi cia Somalia, Uganda na wa Kenya mithikari nturi magwatanirite na gikundi kia URIMI kia FAO nikenda kurwa na ngigi iria igucumbura arimi muno NTAIRA cia Rwanda na gwikara ikithamaga. Ngwataniro ino iria iretete ikundi ino bamwe gatetheria banene nikenda kuthiriria murimi thina ino na nkijagia asara iria yumanagia na ngigi ino. Boniface Mongera ina ripoti ino.
Nio ngwataniro ekimanthi uguru rwangiro mantu jeruja rufao gukurukira mubango jwao jurujikina moja Desert Locust Control Organization for Eastern Africa ibaje ni tendege gwita kugira ngigi irene mwana jwa mbesha dola milioni 1.7 bakimiamukira minista batatu borimi wanthiguru Uganda nthiguru Somalia ninya nthiguru Kenya ibogi tethu ketho bata mono na bukethro buguna nthiguru ii kweja kwithiro ngigi kethro ikiumira kana totiti tonge toria tuinyanga imera.
See, the Desert Locust is a problem. You know, this is the Desert Locust Control Organization, which is supported by FAO and the United Nations. So, because of its migratory nature, the locust is a very dangerous pest that can traverse many countries, and that's why all these institutions and governments are really committed to dealing with it.
Once desert locust and other migratory pests invade, they cause havoc, not only in our agricultural production and agri-food systems, but also in the environment and also the trade. So they affect both agricultural production, environment and trade.
Kairi kana bobwaga naku mwakenejo ngirije 19 mwakenejo ngirije 20 uhithukiro bwangi bwari gwatibone na mwakinthiguru Kenya ninya nthiguru cia tuli Somalia nya Ethiopia areba bengi barimi batiro batemeto ntame kiri maketha jao.
We are working very closely by sharing information, by sharing technology, by sharing resources or utilizing the resources that we have to deal with the issues that cut across or that affect as nations, and I believe we are trying, we are doing our best.
If we do not do something about in terms of modernizing our organization, revamping and acquiring the most highly state-of-the-art technologies, then we will not be prepared enough to respond to the impact of migratory pests. That's why you see this is just the beginning of that transformation, and we hope that as time progresses we are going to acquire even more state-of-the-art technologies.
And you know the destructive nature of the locust. A locust can feed on all our grain, on all anything that is green. So it is. And you also remember the effects of this locust in the year 2019-2022.
Nke reporter Antosharu TV kuma kene kiandike Wilson kinyi nangine kithoboke Nairobi Bita Boniface Mongera.